Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. We just got in an 8.5 20 Dragster trailer. This is a really nice looking trailer set up for cars, toys, UTVs, whatever you guys might need. This one does come in a silver blackout package. Gives you guys the all black diamond plate, rock art along the bottom. You've got nice big wrap diamond plate corners as well in that rounded upper black cap. Nice extended triple tube tongue. This is on a heavy duty 6-inch frame, and this extended tongue is awesome. You can turn a lot sharper and tighter when you take that trailer and push it farther away from your vehicle. So great feature there. Side door does have the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection on that side door, and then two 5,200-pound axles, brakes on all fours, and black mod wheels to go along with your awesome blackout package. There's your Dragster sticker, and with the Dragster package you do get the transition flap right there off that ramp, as well as a dovetail. That dovetail just simply means there's about a 3-inch drop at the back few feet of that floor, and that's just to help with the angle and brake when you guys need to pull lower profile vehicles in and out of here. 7-foot interior height with this unit, and it usually is going to give us 6'6" at the rear door, but we gained back 3 inches with that dovetail, so we're going to have about 6'9" at the rear ramp door. All LED exterior lights. This one also has a really cool escape door slash awning door off the side, so you guys can pull in your UTVs or cars and open up your car door through that opening and have a lot more room inside. Now we also have the awesome performance Nudo floor like we run in all of our off-road trailers. This is one of the most durable floors we can stick in a trailer, set up to last a lot longer than what your standard wood floor will. There's a water resistant product underneath this called maxx, which is also on the underneath side of the trailer. So again, awesome floor, we love it. Can't say enough good about our Nudo floors. 4 D-rings as well, so you do have some tie down points there. And then there's 3 LED interior puck lights here all across the sides. So you guys will have some really nice light in here. They're small but mighty. They're really bright because they're LEDs, and they are all hooked up right there to that wall switch, so you guys can come in that side door and get the lights on easily. Overhead roof vent. This also has an AC brace on it. That's an extra little piece and structure right there. So if you ever wanted to add AC to this unit later, the structure and framing is already done for you. Interior step coming in off that side door. Back side of the RV lock gives you a lock-a-latch and a set of keys right there. 2 more additional D-rings here in the front. And 3-year factory warranty with this trailer. So give us a call. We'd love to earn you guys' business if you're in the market for a new trailer. We are a family-owned business in beautiful Castle Rock, Colorado. And if you don't live here or you don't want to make a road trip, it's all good. Give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote. We ship trailers literally every single day and can get this delivered right to your door. So you guys can reach us at 303-688-8485, or you can always go right to our website, coloradotrailersinc.com. You can purchase our units right online. We like to make it easy. We've got a buy it now button on there, or give us a call and we can help you out. And be sure to like and subscribe.